Hello. In this tutorial, we are going to look at configuring DDB Importer to import your D&D Beyond character sheet into Foundry Virtual Tabletop. Firstly, create a world. I have one set up already here, Airship Adventures. Click on Add-on Modules, Install Module. We'll search for DDB Importer or D&D Beyond Importer. Click Install. We should also consider adding some other modules. Magic items is a good choice. If this module is installed, spells can be associated with magic items, and DDB Importer will take advantage of this. Skill customization is also a good module. This will add skill-specific bonuses such as the Gloves of Thievery. Once you're happy with your choice, launch the world and log in as the Game Master. So, I'm desperate to import some characters, but before I do, I need to enable and configure my modules. Click on the Settings cog and then Manage Modules. Check the modules you want to install and click Save Module Settings. This will reload your browser. Now open the cog tab again and click Configure Settings. Click on Module Settings. We see the D&D Beyond Importer settings here. First, let's choose a location for uploaded images to go to. I'd recommend creating a directory for this. There are a number of compendium choices. For now, we will leave these as is and cover them in a future video. There is the Cobalt token setting. This acts as an authentication to D&D Beyond for various features. We'll leave this and come back to it later. The campaign ID and URL field is needed if content is shared with you, rather than owning it. Enter your campaign ID here. Once you're happy, click Save Changes. We can now import a character. Click over to the Actors tab and create a new actor. This will create a new actor for you. You can enter whatever name you want. Now click on the B button. We will need to enter the character's URL. Go to your D&D Beyond character, use Ctrl-C to copy the link, and Ctrl-V to paste it into this field. Ensure that all the Update Selection and Update Configuration boxes are checked. Click Start Import. The character will now import. Will do its best to import weapons, attacks, features, items and spells. We can see here on the spells that only those that have been prepared have been imported. We can import all the spells by entering the Cobalt token. Click on the Chrome extension link. This opens the page for the Chrome extension. There are full instructions on this page, but let's step through this process now. Download the zip file. We will now extract the zip file. In Chrome, we go to More Tools, Extensions. We will need to enable developer mode. Click the little toggle. Now go to the Load Unpacked extension and find the location you extracted the Chrome extension to. The extension is now loaded in the browser. It may not show up in the top. If this is the case, click the little jigsaw piece and pin the icon. We can now go to the D&D Beyond page, click the extension and click Get Cookie. This will copy the cookie to your clipboard. We can go back to Foundry and open up our module settings again. In the Cobalt cookie field, use Ctrl+V to paste this cookie. Click Save Changes. You shouldn't share this cookie with anyone. It's secret. Now we click Start Import. This time we see it's imported the character's available spells as well as the prepared ones. In the next video, we will be looking at importing spells, items and monsters into your world for use. I hope this video has been helpful and you find the tool useful. If it has, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Every little bit helps. Links are in the description below.